Are you looking for some easy work at home options? In this video, I'll be listing the best websites that can pay you hundreds of dollars daily, all from the comfort of your own home. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just looking to earn some extra cash, these websites are a great place to start. The first website is Rev. If you're looking for a flexible and reliable way to earn extra income from home, Rev may be the perfect platform for you. Rev is a leading platform for remote work, offering a variety of services, including transcription, captioning, and translation. Transcription involves listening to an audio or video file and typing out the spoken words into a document. As a transcriptionist, you can earn between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, depending on the complexity of the task. Captioning involves adding captions to videos to make them accessible to the deaf and hard of hearing. Rev offers captioning services for various industries, including entertainment, education, and corporate. As a captioner, you can earn between 54 cents to $1.10 per video minute. Then translation involves translating written content from one language to another. Rev offers translation services for a wide range of languages, including Spanish, French, Chinese, and many more. As a translator, you can earn between 5 cents to 7 cents per word. To get started with Rev, you will need to create an account and complete a brief application process. Once you are approved, you can start accepting tasks and earning money. Swagbucks is a website that you can use to earn rewards for things you are already doing online. Swagbucks offers a variety of ways to earn rewards, and the most popular way is by completing surveys. You can also earn rewards by watching videos, playing games, shopping online, and even searching the web. Swagbucks offers cashback for purchases made through their website. Once you've earned enough Swagbucks, you can redeem them for a variety of rewards. The most popular option is to redeem them for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon and Walmart. You can also redeem your Swagbucks for cash via PayPal. Most members can earn an extra $100 to $200 a month on Swagbucks with fairly minimal effort. Signing up for Swagbucks is super easy. All you have to do is visit their website and create an account. Once you've signed up, you will be asked to complete a profile and answer a few questions. This will help Swagbucks match you with surveys and other activities that are relevant to your interest. If you want to earn even more rewards with Swagbucks, there are a few tips and tricks you can use. First, be sure to complete your profile and answer all of the questions. Remember, this will help Swagbucks match you with many different activities. You should also try to complete the daily poll and daily offer. These are quick and easy ways to earn a few extra Swagbucks each day. Finally, you can refer your friends to Swagbucks. You will earn a percentage of their earnings for the lifetime of their account. Did you know that you can also turn a passion for music into a profitable side hustle? Slice the Pie is an online platform that allows you to earn money by reviewing new and upcoming music. Artists and record labels submit their music to Slice the Pie for feedback, and users like you get paid to listen and review the tracks. Slice the Pie is a great way to discover new music, provide valuable feedback to artists, and earn money from home. Getting started with Slice the Pie is easy and straightforward. All you need to do is create a free account on the website and start reviewing tracks. The more tracks you review, the more money you can earn. Slice of Pie pays you for reviews based on your rating and the quality of your feedback. Are you a pet lover? If you are, you should definitely check out Rover. There are several ways to earn money with Rover, including dog walking, pet sitting, and pet boarding. As a pet sitter, you can set your own rates and earn up to $1,000 per month, depending on your availability and the services you offer. You can also offer additional services like pet grooming, dog training, and pet transportation, which can help you increase your earnings. Making money with Shutterstock is another great opportunity for photographers to earn money by selling their photos on the website. The amount of money you can earn depends on the quality of your photos, the number of downloads, and your level of participation on the website. Many photographers have reported earning hundreds of dollars per month with Shutterstock. To maximize your earnings with Shutterstock, make sure to upload high-quality photos that are in demand on the website, as well as use relevant keywords and tags to ensure your photos are easily searchable on the website. If you haven't heard of Inbox Dollars before, it is a website that pays you cash for completing simple tasks. These tasks can range from taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and even shopping online. Inbox Dollars has been around for over 20 years and has paid out over $80 million to its members. Most online surveys for money pay from 50 cents to $5 and take 3 minutes to 25 minutes to complete. There are some online surveys that pay $10, $20, or even more if you match a demographic profile they are looking for. So if you're looking to make some extra cash online, be sure to sign up for Inbox Dollars. You can also earn some extra cash in your spare time with TaskRabbit. It is an online and mobile marketplace that allows users to find and book local services for various tasks such as cleaning, moving, handyman services, and much more. The platform is available in major cities and connects customers with skilled taskers who can complete their task for them. To get started with TaskRabbit, you need to create an account and complete your profile. You'll also need to complete a background check and attend an orientation session to become a certified tasker. Once you are certified, you can start browsing for tasks that match your skills and interest. If you work 10 hours a week and charge $20 per hour, you could earn as much as $800 extra per month. To make money with TaskRabbit, you will need to complete tasks that are posted by customers in your area. You can set your own hourly rate and work as much or as little as you want.